What's going on YouTube? Michael here from 3D Print Everything, and today I'm going to do a short quick video on what you should be charging in order to make money while 3D printing. How do you charge when you're doing 3D prints for a profit? So that's probably the number one asked question that I get, or when people are brand new into this, is how do I make money? I don't know what to charge. And a lot of people, when they first think about it, is well, if I make this widget here and it cost me one full roll of filament at $25, well, I should double my money and make 50. And that sounds great, and doubling your money is honestly not too bad. But when you think about 3D printing and the failures, let's say you get 80% into that print, okay, and then it fails and you can't recover it and you can't print another half and glue it. Let's say you did have to glue it. Now you got to buy $8 worth of glue to glue the second half of that print. Let's say that the print just totally messes up halfway through. Now you're down 15, 20 bucks, and you got $5 worth of filament left, and now you've spent another bit of that. Like, you're now in your print project $35, $40. So you can quickly go upside down, and that's also not counting your time at all, and that's not counting your electricity, that's not counting any maintenance on your 3D printer. And like I said, I'll make this quick, so I'll wrap it up soon, or just very shortly. But some people do have very complicated ways of calculating. I mean, you can do like a minimum, like no matter what, if I'm doing a 5-minute print or a 30-minute print, it's $30 to start the printer. Or you can do something like, for me, and what I would recommend, and what is easy, is just charging by the print hour. So you want to get your speeds to where you're getting as high of quality print as you can without... you want a high quality print at a high speed, and that gives your customer their best value at you printing by the dollar hour. I started printing at the dollar hour at about $3 a print hour. It cost you about 70 cents to $1 a print hour when you add up your filament and your electricity. That's your cost. So you're almost, I mean, you could just round it up that it cost you $1 every single hour that printer's printing, and that's a little high, like I said. But if you calculate that and you make 3, then you're starting to do okay. Just as an idea, I've gotten so busy that we're to the point of charging 11, and that's kind of the industry standard now. I do know that some people get up to even 15 to 20 a print hour. We're not there yet. But that's what I recommend. So if you just have a printer and you're looking to price something and you got no idea how to price it, do $3, $5, $10 a print hour. I highly recommend $5 to $8, because $3 I think is a little too low, and it'll be hard to make money there. But I started making money at $3 a print hour. And yeah, I mean, that's it. That's how to easily charge. That's how to easily make some money. With that said, some things aren't going to make sense to print and sell. It might make sense to print and have. It might make sense when you're doing it and you want it and it costs you $5, $10. But if you need to, if it costs you $10 to make it and you want to sell it for $80 and the market rate is $30, sometimes you might just have to eat it and sell it cheap. I do that sometimes, but I don't make that my main business. I don't want to, have this be an 11-hour print and me sell it for $40, and that's way under $11 a print hour. That's way under $10 a print hour, or $5 even. So we just be aware of that. Make money where you can, make people happy, give discounts, but when it comes to your main bread and butter, charge a decent print hour rate. That's all, guys. Have a good day. Like, share, subscribe. And if you want any more advice, check out the Facebook group, 3D Print Everything for Profit. I started and run that page, and it's a great place to ask your questions about 3D printing business, online retail, anything you want to know about making money with your 3D printer, what 3D printers are good to make money with, etc. You can ask that there, and you'll get help from many, many shops like me. Not just from me, but many other people who also run YouTubes and stuff there. So thanks, guys. Have a good day.